Hello dear students, how are you all? I just hope that you all are doing good at your place. I'm Meenakshi Kothiyal, your computer teacher, and I'm back to teach you computers. Children, I just hope that you all are enjoying your online classes, and I'm also very happy that you all are sending your work on a regular basis through emails. Children, if you have any doubt, any query you have, you can mail me. Children, as in our previous video, we have done with the first chapter and we discussed all the contents, all the topics of that chapter. Now it's time to do the exercises questions. So take out your books. See children, this is your book, ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. Okay children, now take out page number 17. Today we are going to do exercises questions. So, let's start it. Here is the question number 1. Write E for electronic machine and M for mechanical machine for the pictures given below. Now children, this question I am giving to you to do of your own, as you all have studied that electronic machines requires electricity to work on and mechanical machines requires human power, or they run by gas, petrol or diesel. So you have to find out which of them is a mechanical machine and which of them is an electronic machine. Look at these pictures and write M for the mechanical machine and E for the electronic machine in the box. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Color the boxes green which show advantages of computer. Now children, as we have already studied about the advantages of computer in our previous video, so you have to find out. So here it is written electronic presentation. Children, electronic presentation means computer helps to present our ideas and views through the electronic devices. So yes, it is one of the advantage of a computer. So, color this box using green color. Okay. Now next, it is written computer virus. No, computer virus is not an advantage of a computer. So, no need to color in this box. Next, hearing problem. It is also not an advantage of computer. Next comes cybercrime. Cybercrime is also not an advantage of computer. Now next comes do calculations. Yes, computers help us to do calculations in a very high speed. So color this box using green color. Next comes high speed. Yes, it is one of the most important advantage of a computer. Its speed is very high. It can process a large amount of data in a very high speed. So color this box using green color. Now children, electronic presentation, do calculations and high speed are the advantages of computer. So you have to color this and this box using green color. Okay. So now let's proceed towards our next question. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks by choosing an appropriate word from the given box. Now children, fill in the blanks are given here. We have to fill all using the words given in the boxes. The first is working on data is called dash. Now children, working on data is called processing. P-R-O C-E-S-S-I-N-G. So working on data is called processing. Now children, as we all know that a computer requires data and we enter the data using keyboard or mouse. Then a computer processes that data, means it works on that data. That's why working on data is called processing. Now next is computer has a huge dash space. Now children, a computer has a huge space for what? It requires a space for what? It requires huge space for storage. Yes, so write down storage here. S-T-O, store, R-A-G-E, storage. So computer has a huge storage space. A computer can store data and information in a very large amount. Next is Monitor is an dash device. Now children, tell me. Yes, it is an output device. Why it is an output device? Because it displays all the information and data on the screen. So that's why it is considered an output device. Very good. Now next, keyboard is an dash device. Yes, it is an input device. Why it is an input device? Because we use keyboard to enter data in the computer. That's why it is an input device. So we are done with the fill in the blanks. Children, write these words in a very neat and clean handwriting in your book. Now turn on to page number 18. So here comes the next question. Question number 4. Take the correct option. Now children, what we have to do, we have to read out the question and we have to find out the correct answer from the 4 options. So let's read out the first question. Computer is an, now options are given, mechanical device, electronic device, manual device, or all of them. Now children, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. Yes. So put a tick mark on second option here. Done? Okay. Now come to the next one. It is a function of computer. Now children, we have studied about the 4 functions of computer: input, processing, output and storage. So let's find out which of them is correct. Walking, is it a function of a computer? No. Sleeping, is it a function of a computer? No. Processing, yes, processing is the function of computer. So we'll put a tick sign on this third option. Now come to the next one. C. One disadvantage of computer is, now children, we have to find out the disadvantage of computer. Okay. Storage. Storage is the disadvantage of computer. No, it is an advantage of a computer. Next. Virus. Virus is a disadvantage of a computer. So put a tick sign on the second option, because speed and accuracy and storage are the advantages of computer, and only this one, virus, is the disadvantage of computer. So we have to put a tick sign on it. Okay, the next question is, which of the following is an electronic machine? Now children, what is an electronic machine? An electronic machine requires electricity. Now find out which of them is required electricity. Let me read out all the options for you first. Television, cycle, horse cart or sewing machine. Now children, which of them is an electronic machine? Yes, television is an electronic machine because it requires electricity. Okay, it requires power supply to work. Cycle, horse cart and sewing machines are the mechanical machines because they run with the help of human power or by gas or petrol. Yes. Now let's proceed towards our next question. Question number 5. Match the following devices with their function. Okay children, now let's do this. Now first look at this device. Which device is this? Yes, it is a keyboard. Now what is the function of a keyboard? Let's find out. Process, input, storage or output. Now children, which of this is a function of keyboard? Yes, input. A keyboard is used to input the data into the computer. Very good. Okay children, now what is the function of a CPU? Process, storage or output? Yes, it is used for processing. Yes, a CPU process the data. Okay. Very good. Now, next is monitor. This device is known as monitor. Now, what is the function of a monitor? Output. Yes, monitor is an output device. Yes, it displays the data or the result on the screen. Now, which device is this? This is a hard disk. This is a hard disk. Yes. Now children, what is the function of a hard disk? Function of a hard disk is to store all the data of the computer. Yes. So its function is storage. Now children, this is how you have to do it in your book. Let's first understand, look at the devices and then understand about their functions. Okay children, I just hope that you all have understood the questions very well. Now children, you have to do all this work in a very neat and clean handwriting in your book only. This time I am not going to give any homework. You have to do all the work in your book only. Watch this video and do the exercises questions along with me. Okay students, then I'll look forward to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.